Hi, good evening everybody. As you know, in the previous videos, we had mentioned this pandemic start in 2019, October, November, when Pluto got Vargotam, that's like a degree, and in every 240 years after, Pluto became Vargotam in the same situation and there was a pandemic. So as seen in the previous times, Pluto Vargotam in Sagittarius and Capricorn had created pandemic. Pluto is Vargotam till the 17th of March 2022. It got in direct motion on 7th October 21 when a new variant Omicron appeared. Because it was retrograde, as it got direct in Vargotam situation in Capricorn, a new variant came, as I had mentioned in the last speech, last talk. As let's take like India. As India represents Taurus sign of Venus. Venus got combust on 14th February 2021. All of a sudden, the numbers of COVID started rising. Venus was combust till 4th of May. 10th April 2021 to 4th May 21, Venus traveled the 12th house of India, which means losses. The worst could be seen, that it was not controllable. Yeah. On 2nd December, Venus got conjunct with Vargotam. Now, on 2nd December, Venus got conjunct with Vargotam Pluto in Capricorn, leading to a rise in numbers. It also retrograded on 18th of December in conjunction and will remain here till 6th of January, thus spreading the pandemic. And after 6th, we will come. After the 6th, will come in India the 8th house, creating more worries. Venus, because 8th house is death, 8th house is problem, 8th house is chaos.
And undiagnosed.
Undiagnosed as well, yeah. So Venus gets combust again from 4th January 2022 to 14th January. Venus will again get associated with Pluto, degree minute conjunct, from 23rd February to 3rd of March 2022. So that's the time when one has to see, the government has to be very careful, because this pandemic will spread again in these times. After 3rd March, situation will improve in India. So let's take UK, right? In UK, if we see the numbers, how did they rise according to astrology? UK is represented by Aries sign,
Sign number 1.
whose lord is Mars. So Mars got combust on 16th of August. If we see after 16th, we observed a significant rise in numbers. Mars entered UK's 8th house, Scorpio, on 5th December and got conjunct from 14th to 19th of December, elevating new cases to heights, and will remain in the 8th house till 16th January, after which relief can be seen.
So after 16th, there will be proof.
Yeah, after 16th then we can see a relief properly. So as we see now, let's take USA. So USA is represented by Gemini sign ruled by Mercury. Mercury is set to come in America's 8th house on 29th, which is today. No, tomorrow, sorry. Conjuncting Vargotam Pluto till 2nd January 22, which can cause spread of pandemic in these 5 days. Will get retrograde on 15th Jan and again will be conjunct with Pluto from 28th of January till 12th of February. So this is the time when in America this is going to spread like anything. Will shift from Capricorn, which is the 8th house of America, on 6th March. We can expect relief after that. So these are the dates where whosoever is listening can definitely be more careful and tell the governments of these 3 countries that these are the dates when astrologically this pandemic is going to rise, to be more careful, and they can take certain measures to control it. And Pluto is till 17th of March, after that it doesn't remain Vargotam. That means after the 17th of March, it will start getting controlled, or some medicine or something will come, which there will be a quite a controllable situation about these pandemics.
So what salts do you recommend to eat, like, the astrological precautions for
You see, it is all about mercury. Mercury is like in America, mercury is
vitamin K?
vitamin K and folate and greens and
So people
zinc.
can eat
Yeah, Venus is
basil.
zinc.
Okay.
And like in UK, if you say, it's like tomato, basically sodium, olives. That's the best thing to do. So be
And
safe.
beetroot as well.
Yeah.
Beetroot as well.
Yeah, of course. So that was my reading. So be safe.